Hi everybody, it's Candace here for TLC Designs, and it's day 4 of the holiday cards series, and today we are going to make this card. So for day 4, it was to make a slimline card project with one of the new holiday stamp sets and new holiday papers. So what I used is the Zinnia Slimline die cuts. I used the 3 dies to make this layered. So I have that die, this die, and then the center. So that's my card base. And what I wanted to do is kind of make like a scene card. So I used the new stamp set Holiday Fun. There's so many cute little things to use. And so I went ahead and pre-colored all those. So we'll just go ahead and put this card together. So I'm going to go ahead and put the green die down. It was fun to color all those little characters and the embellishments that go with them. I'm just going to go ahead and glue that on. And because I was making a scene in here, I wanted to put this in. And this paper is actually from Snowy Skies, one of the new holiday papers. And I'm just going to put that right there. All right. And then what I did was I colored up the tree, and then I colored up the 2 girls, plus the Santa hat for her. And then this little guy, I thought he was pretty cute, but I needed him to sit on something. So what I did from the Forest Pals digital stamp set, because it is digital, I was able to shrink down the tree stump so it can act as a little seat for him. And I'm going to go ahead and start gluing these down. So we have the tree, and we have the star for the top of the tree. And then we have the back of this girl. And what I'm going to have her is she is holding the little candy cane and is about to put it on the tree. So, oops, just going to put that in her hand. And then this gal, she's going to put an ornament on the tree. Have her there. Put a little ornament in her hand. They're decorating the tree while he's looking on, drinking hot cocoa. Yum. And I just wanted to put a few other decorations on the tree. And we'll give her the Santa hat. And then we'll go ahead and put him on. There we go. And with this set, I thought the holly was really cute. So I thought I could put that around the card. Just randomly where it kind of looks like flowers, but now it's going to be holly. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue those down. Oops. It's a fun slimline card, or die cut, I should say. That makes a super cute card. And there's so many different ways to use it. You know, like Christmas theme, fall, spring. Very versatile. Oops. Oh. And I'm back to the start. So there's my card. And I have the slimline card base that I'm just going to glue it down to. And it kind of overlaps on the top and bottom, which is fine. And you can see it's a little bigger than the die. So I'm just going to use my trimmer and trim off. There we go. So now we have this cute little card. And it's a nice little scene card. So, hope you enjoyed today's project, and I hope you will join me for day 5 in what we create.